There is some big political drama unfolding in Canada, and it directly involves an Indian origin leader. Liberal MP Chandra Arya, who was gearing up to contest for the position of Prime Minister of Canada, has been barred from entering the race. Yes, you heard it right. The Liberal Party of Canada has refused to allow him to participate in the leadership contest to replace Justin Trudeau, who recently announced his resignation. Now, for many, this decision comes as a shock. Arya was actively preparing for his campaign with hundreds of volunteers working behind the scene. He had already built strong support among Canadians who wanted a leader focused on economic growth, affordability, and a smaller, more efficient government. But now, his PM dream has been crushed even before it started. So, what exactly happened, and what does this mean for Indian origin leaders in Canada? Let's break it down in simple terms. Let's talk about Chandra Arya first. Chandra Arya is an Indian origin Canadian politician who has been serving as a Member of Parliament from Nepean, Ontario since 2015. He was born in Karnataka, India and moved to Canada where he built a very successful career in business and politics. Over the years, Arya has gained recognition for advocating for economic reforms, affordable living, and policies that benefit the middle-class Canadians. He has been very vocal about the challenges young people and families face, specifically in terms of job opportunity, housing affordability, and financial security. Unlike traditional politicians, Arya positioned himself as a leader who is willing to take bold decisions to fix Canada's growing economic problem. Now, after Justin Trudeau announced that he would be stepping down, the Liberal Party opened the doors for new leadership candidate. Arya immediately jumped in, announcing that he would run for Prime Minister with a vision to rebuild Canada's economy and ensure prosperity for future generations as well. He promised to reduce government size to make it more efficient and effective, boost job opportunity, and improve the affordability for Canadians, support middle-class families struggling with rising costs, and tackle economic challenges with the practical long-term solution. Many Canadians were excited about his candidacy, specifically those who felt that Canada needed a fresh leader with strong focus on economic reform. His team worked tirelessly for 2 weeks, mobilizing support and encouraging people to join Liberal Party to back his vision. However, before his campaign could even gain full momentum, the Liberal Party shut him out. Now, this is where the things get really interesting. The Liberal Party of Canada has not given any official reason for rejecting Arya's candidacy. However, political analysts believe that there could be several possible reasons behind it. One possibility is internal politics. The party might have already chosen their preferred candidate to replace Trudeau. Another reason could be that Arya lacked elite support, meaning that he may not have had really strong backing from the party's senior leadership and insiders as well. His different vision could have played a role as well, since he is focused on small government and economic re-infrastructuring might not align with what the Liberal Party wants. Lastly, some believe that it could be resistance to new leadership, as many political parties hesitate to allow any outsider or any fresh face to take control, specifically if they challenge the party's traditional way of doing things. Arya himself is really confused and has stated that he is waiting for an official explanation. However, he has made it very clear that he is not giving up and is considering his next steps very carefully. Chandra Arya's situation is a major talking point right now for Indian community in Canada. It raises important questions about whether Indian origin politicians truly get a fair chance in Canadian politics or not. Indian origin leaders are becoming very influential in Canada, with many holding key positions in the government. However, when somebody like Arya tries to step up for the top job, he is sidelined without any explanation. The Indian community in Canada is growing rapidly, and their concern about job, immigration, and affordability needs better representation. With Arya out of the race, many wonder if the next Liberal leader will focus on these issues or not. Many Indians in Canada struggle with visa backlog, high housing costs, and job security. If leaders like Arya are prevented from contesting only, who will speak up for these concerns? This also brings up a bigger debate here. Are political party in Canada truly open to fresh leadership, or do they prefer to keep the power within a selected group? Despite this setback, Arya has not given up. In his latest statement, he mentioned that he is carefully considering his next move now. Political experts suggest that he could continue fighting within the Liberal Party and demand the answers. Joining another party that supports his vision for economic reform is also a possibility, or stay in politics and build stronger grassroots support to come back stronger in near future is also what he can do. Whatever he chooses to do next, one thing is certainly clear. Chandra Arya has exposed how political games work behind the scene. His story is a reminder that even talented, hard-working leaders from immigrant background face obstacles in climbing to the top. Now, do you think that Chandra Arya was treated unfairly? Should Canada give more opportunities to Indian origin politicians? If he had contested, would he have been supported by all of these? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below.